Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to Reupholster VW Beetle seats. Gather your basic tools and a clean workspace, then remove the seat from the car to work comfortably. Inspect the foam and frame for damage and decide whether to replace foam now. Lay out new fabric and cut patterns using the old cover as a template. Take clear photos during disassembly to help during reassembly later. Start by unbolting the seat from the floor and reclining mechanism, then tilt it onto a padded table for comfort. Peel back the old upholstery slowly, noting where seams and clips sit so you can mimic them with the new cover. Remove old foam if deteriorated and clean the frame with a brush and cleaner. Keep all small parts organized in labeled containers so nothing gets lost during the build back. Lay your new fabric on a flat surface and pin the old pieces on top to trace accurate shapes and seam lines. Cut panels with a consistent margin for seams and trimming, then test fit each piece on the foam and frame. Stretch fabric evenly, avoiding puckers, and adjust tension before fixing. Work methodically from center panels outward and use photos to confirm correct panel orientation and pattern match.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.